The Pacific Ocean can turn from paradise to peril in a matter of hours. And that's exactly what happened to Royal Caribbean's Ovation of the Seas. The Quantum-class giant, carrying more than 4,100 passengers, set sail from Los Angeles, California, on September 12, 2025, bound for the sun-soaked coast of Mexico. The itinerary promised a 5-day adventure, highlighted by an overnight stay in Cabo San Lucas, the crown jewel at the very tip of the Baja California Peninsula. But nature had other plans. That same day, the National Hurricane Center, NOAA, confirmed the formation of Tropical Storm Mario. While small in size, the storm packed winds of 40 miles per hour and carried heavy rains across Mexico's Pacific coast. Cabo, directly in its projected path, suddenly became unsafe. By the evening, the captain announced a dramatic course correction. Instead of sailing south along the Baja Peninsula toward Cabo, Ovation of the Seas shifted its heading north toward Ensenada, Mexico. The new plan: 2 full days at sea followed by 2 days docked in Ensenada with an overnight stay. Online cruise communities quickly filled with reactions. Some passengers reported the captain explained that tenders in Cabo would be impossible in these conditions. Safety had to come first. Others admitted frustration at losing a rare overnight in Cabo, though most agreed the decision was understandable. Cabo San Lucas, unlike many ports, requires passengers to be shuttled ashore by tender boats. When seas grow rough, even a moderate storm makes tender operations impossible. NOAA warned that Mario could bring up to 6 inches of rainfall, flash flooding, and dangerous surf along coastal regions from Michoacan to Jalisco, with risks of landslides and elevated terrain. Interestingly, while Mario was described as a tiny storm system, it was the only weather event that weekend to disrupt cruise itineraries, and Ovation of the Seas was the only ship forced to reroute. Other popular ports like Puerto Vallarta, Mazatlan, Acapulco, and Manzanillo saw no scheduled cruise calls during the storm's peak. Forecasts suggested that Mario would weaken by Sunday, never making landfall, but trailing parallel to Mexico's Pacific coastline before fading into the ocean. For the thousands on board Ovation of the Seas, the reroute meant trading Cabo's beaches and nightlife for the quieter atmosphere of Ensenada. Yet one thing was clear: Royal Caribbean prioritized safety over spectacle. The decision to alter the ship's direction ensured that guests avoided the storm's most dangerous conditions, a reminder of how quickly the sea can change and how vital those last-minute calls by the captain truly are.